Okay, so in this area here, we're going to do a piano key border, but it's actually, instead of a piano key, we're going to do a bead board. And one of the reasons I like to do a bead board is when you do a piano key, you're going to come down, you're going to travel in the ditch, and then you're going to come back up and travel. And there's a lot of traveling in the ditch. So in order to get away, if you're not very good at traveling in the ditch, is to do the bead board, where you're only going to be traveling in the ditch a small amount. So for this particular demonstration, we're using the ProLine 1, which is going to give us an inch in between our spacings. Okay, so I'm just going to line up here, and I kind of like to start about 1/4 of an inch off of my seam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to travel down. I'm going to stop. Let's make sure we stop with our needle down. Okay, and then I'm only traveling over 1/4 of an inch in the ditch. Okay, so as soon as I see my stitch line on the opposite side of the hopping foot, I'm going to stop. I'm going to shift my ruler, and then I'm going to stitch back up. Then I'm going to stitch all the way over until I hit this side of the ruler, stop with my needle down, and then I'm going to shift, okay, my ruler until it hits the hopping foot, and I'm just going to continue on with that pattern until I fill up my rectangle. And there we have our bead board border.